Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the water connections for the RV. Just so you know where we're at, we're on the back driver's side of the unit. You're going to see right here that this is the connection. It's the silver key you're going to use to open this up. And this thing is a little sticky, so you turn it and open it up here. It gives you kind of some instructions of what each thing is. But the main thing that you want to know is that when you come to an RV site, you plug in your hose here, and then you're gonna take the hose and put it to a fresh water source. If you want continuous water to be going through the system, then you're gonna have this valve down like this to city. You can see right here, down for city. City water means you're gonna have a continuous flow of water into the unit. If you want to fill the tank, then you're gonna switch it over here. And so when you put that in, what it's gonna do, it's gonna fill the fresh water tank. And you, if you wanna know how to check the levels of your tanks, please go look at our video on the control panel. All of the hookups that you need for water, we have over here. You'll find them in this back compartment. And you have a freshwater hose right here. You also have this elbow, which saves the hose. You connect this one in, and now the hose just connects right up into it on the bottom, which makes it much easier. One of the things that you always want to use is a pressure regulator, because some camp units will have too high of water pressure, and if the water pressure is too high, it can damage all the systems. If you put this in right to the connection of where you're hooking up the water, right at the faucet at the source, you can turn that on and you'll be able to see what the water pressure is. And if the water pressure is high, then you don't want to put it into the unit. So always make sure you use your water pressure gauge, and you use the hose saver. You can close this afterwards as well. There's a little latch right here that you can lift and move so that this is out of the way. And that way you can close this up and still have your hose coming out and have it locked up, which is a good practice to always have. The other portion of this is right here. This is your tank flush. So when you're done emptying the black water, you can hook up your hose right here and turn it on, and what it will do is it will flush the sewer part out of the unit. You want to make sure that you have the black valve open, which if you want to know more about that, please go look at our video on emptying your gray and black water tanks. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward for the water. Yeah, enjoy.